Hello and welcome to the Crafter's Toolbox. Today I'll be showing you how you can add a shimmer effect to any ink that you have. We're going beyond these splatters and going to be adding a beautiful shimmer effect to just plain water-based inks. So a few things that you'll need just any water-based inks that you might have. I have 4 colors here from altenew. And this is the key. You need this all-purpose ink by Tsukineko, and this is the frost white color. This works the best, and this little bottle will last you forever. So another thing you'll need is a palette or something to blend all of your inks in. I just generally use these little pieces of acetate that I have. You can use these kinds of palettes, to mix all of your paint in, or anything that you might have. So I generally use these, and I'm going to use some water, and you're going to need some paint brushes. And if you want to do a flicking effect, I like to use a very small brush with a plain block that has nice sharp edges. Okay, so the first step is to just take your ink and get it into your palette, whether it's this or it's one of the other containers. I'm just going to put these all down so you can see all the different colors. So I'm using Midnight Violet, Lagoon, Marigold, and this is Cloudy Night. So this is how you could make like a silver color if you don't have silver. And the next step is to just shake up your bottle here of your all-purpose ink just to make sure that all of the glitter is distributed well. And I usually just work from the cap, believe it or not. And I'm just going to take a little bit from here, and actually that's almost too much. This is really enough. And I'm going to start blending it in. And you can see that that has gone to a really shimmery color. Isn't that fantastic? Anyway, let me show you what this looks like on some cardstock. So of course there's all sorts of different techniques that you can do. I'm just doing this on plain cardstock right now. You could use this on, you should probably use it on watercolor, but I just wanted to show you the shimmer effect. And there, you can see it right there. And it's just a really nice sheen. The more of this all-purpose ink you add, the more of a sheen of this color you're going to get. So you want to make sure that you're not using too much. You can water this down quite a bit, and that just really sticks in there. And you keep getting that lovely color. If you wanted to, you could do a wash as well. So let me clean out this brush here. Get a little Fantastics in my orange, or my all-purpose ink, sorry. Put the extra on there. And if I want to, I can just pick this up with my big wash brush and get a really cool effect there too. And you can see the sheen really well. So let's take a look real quick at what if we want to flick. So I'm going to take my little brush and get it into some of the all-purpose ink. This time I'm using, and you don't want to put your brush back in here like I almost just did. Really, I don't need any more. I just need to add some water to this. And I want to get it on my block here. And actually, I'm just going to pick it up that way. And I can go ahead and flick. And those guys are going to end up being glittery as well. And that is really a delicate look. So let me do it not clean. Let me pick it up with a bigger brush. And you can see that probably better that way. So all sorts of sheen. And it is a beautiful, even look. Since I have it out, let's do our last color. And this is more of a brownish gray. So it's kind of more like a pewter color. And that's just fabulous. All right, so I hope you enjoyed learning this quick and easy way to add shimmer to any of your inks. I hope you apply it to a project soon, and if you do, please do share it with me out on Facebook. I love to see all the projects that you're working on and how these tutorials have inspired you. I'll see you soon at another Crafter's Toolbox, but until next time, happy crafting.